In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or enter into debugging mode on your Acer laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu or start button, and then select the power icon. Select or hold down the shift key on your keyboard, and then select restart, again while holding down the shift key. Once it says please wait, you can release pressure on the keyboard. And now at this point, select Troubleshoot, reset your PC or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings, change Windows Startup Behavior, and then select Restart, and then give us a moment. And then at this point, you can tap the F1 or Function 1 key to enable debugging mode, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.